We're going head to head today, Martha versus Snoop, cocktail style. We're gonna see who can party the best. So today we're doing Martha Stewart's 100th cookbook. We're doing 3 of her cocktails and 3 from Snoop Dogg's Crook to Cook. There are 3 different recipes from each book, so we're gonna kind of rate them 1 to 10 and then see who comes out in the end. So watch to see who wins this battle today. I'm first starting with Mary's Knees. So this is from Martha Stewart's 100th cookbook. This is one of her brunch cocktails, Mary's Knees. So we're gonna take half a cup of OJ. I fresh squeezed this already. 2 ounces of vodka. We're gonna go Martha style. We might go a little over, you know what I mean? Boom. 1 ounce Grand Marnier. 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Oh, this orange juice, I feel bad wasting it. Should I just drink it? So here we go. And then 1 ounce of lime juice. We're just getting kind of down and dirty today, y'all. Just down and dirty. Urgh. Here's gonna be my favorite part of the day. I get to shake, shake, shake. First cocktail of the night. Wow, you know what? That was a lot of work for this little bit of drink. Martha garnishes this with a dried orange, but I could not find them anywhere. Although I feel like I see them at every store I go to, and I'm always like, oh, I should get some dried oranges. Couldn't find one to save my life, so here we go. I'll garnish it with just an orange. Not nearly as sophisticated as Miss Martha, but here we go. Oh, that's quite tasty. It's not too strong, obviously very citrusy. I could see this as a nice brunch cocktail. I can't say that it like knocked me off my feet. So Miss Martha, I'm gonna give this one an 8. On to the next cocktail. The next drink is from Snoop Dogg. It's called the French Connect 75. Got a little champagne in there, you know what I'm saying? So for this one, we have Tanqueray, and I'm not gonna lie about the Tanqueray. I had a bad experience once. I think I was somewhere in my college years, and it was bad. I remember waking up on a deck, all right? And I have never been able to drink this again, so wish me luck. Here we go. So this is calling for 2 ounces of Tanqueray. Ugh, it already smells like shit, okay? I'm just gonna tell you right now. It smells like grass. I don't even know why people like it. It smells like the earth. All right, we're gonna have ½ ounce of lemon juice. Try not to get the seeds, the stems and seeds, as Mr. Snoop would say. And then we're gonna do a ½ ounce of the simple syrup. Now, I did make a Meyer lemon simple syrup. I only wanted to make 1, so he's gonna get a little extra pizzazz because this was actually for Martha's recipe. Boom. And the fun part of this, little 2 ounces of champagne. I didn't want to open a whole bottle. I didn't know who was going to be here, so I got these little Sofia Coppola cans. Nothing on here is sponsored. I just want to let you know right now. But if Sofia wanted to give me some money, hey girl, you can kick it down. So we're going to have 2 ounces of this. This is what gives it the French Connect. A little shake, shake, shake. This is actually served in a champagne flute. It calls for a lemon twist. But I couldn't really twist this up, so it's just gonna go in there like that, all right? Bottoms up. Ooh, you know what? I think me and Jen just made up. We just totally made up just now because this is freaking delicious. You know what? For a cocktail brunch, I'm gonna give this a solid 10. You did it, Snoop. You did it, okay? I'm coming to your party. Okay, our next drink is from Miss Martha. We are gonna be making her White Cosmo. Now, it's made with white cranberry juice, but I could not find that at any store for the life of me. And to be quite honest, I think if I did find it, I would have found some cranberry juice that has a lot of corn syrup and additives and things Octavia just really ain't down for. So I went ahead and chose some organic quality Knudsen cranberry pomegranate juice, okay? I think it's gonna be just fine. Juice is juice, all right? So let's see. Got it. All right, so this one's 1 cup white cranberry. Today, it's gonna be red. 4 ounces of vodka, preferably Belvedere. Miss Martha asks for the top shelf. Oh, my little shaker's getting full. 2 ounces of Cointreau. I hope I'm saying that correctly. This one right here. Righty. Give that a little shoot. Oh, there's a couple of cubes in there, it's all. All right, and for this one, she has it in a martini glass. Okay, that kind of looks white, right? And this one's actually served over a ball ice, which I don't have, but you can give her a little taste, she'll be just fine. Ooh, that's a nice drink. I'm gonna give Miss Martha a 10 on this one. Oh wait, maybe I should slow down so I don't get drunk by the end of this video. All right, the next one is a Snoop recipe, very similar to the White Cosmo. This is our happy hour vodka cranberry. Berry by Mr. Snoop. Coming up next. He requires also some vodka, and since we have the Belvedere open, why not? We're gonna do 1 ounce. 1 ounce cranberry juice. He requires red, so that's great, because that's what we got. Oh, some fresh squeezed lime juice and a lime wheel for garnishing. Gotcha, coming right up. Bottoms up. Eh. All right, Snoop. I'm gonna give that a 5. It's very basic. It's okay. After having the last one, I'm not really thrilled with it, to be honest. So this one goes with a 5. Our next drink is Miss Martha's Meyer Lemon Drop. I think this is gonna be quite tasty. Let's see, here we go. It's gonna be 2 ounces of our lemon simple syrup, 4 ounces of vodka, such as Belvedere. You got it, girl. Okay, 2 ounces of Cointreau. I have to say, this Cointreau gives everything kind of a nice little extra boost of flavor. So you're onto something there, Miss Martha. This also requires a sugar rim. So you just want to take a little bit of lemon juice, put it on a plate, dip the rim in the juice, and then dip it in the sugar to give you that beautiful sugar rim. All right, bottoms up. I like this one. I'm gonna give it a 9. Very nice. The Meyer Lemon Drop. All right. I think the alcohol is starting to hit me a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. What's next? We got the last drink. So this one's called That Goody Gimlet. Okay, That Goody Gimlet, this is for you boogie mofos. Here's a cocktail that's a little more high class than gin and juice. I was swigging from a plastic cup. It's even got a fancy ass name, The Gimlet. All right, so we're gonna make this one next. Okay, this is supposed to be in a coupe as well. All right, so this one requires my new old friend, Mr. Tanqueray. Mr. T's going in the glass. 2 ounces of Tanqueray. I still don't like the smell of it, I'm not gonna lie. So this is gonna get 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. That's about right there. Then we're gonna have a 1/2 ounce of our simplest syrup. And then we wanna top it off with a little club soda. And give it a little splash or do. Okay. And this goes with a lime garnish. There we go, cheers! Our last drink. Ooh, That is good. I'm gonna give that a 9. Solid 9 right there. Cheers, Snoop Doggy Dog. Okay, so we're at the end of the race here, and I've had so many cocktails. I kind of forgot what my scores were, so we're just gonna wing it here right now, all right? So in front of us here, we have all Snoop's drinks. Now I know the French Connect, I definitely gave this a 10, okay? So definitely a 10 on this beauty right here. I know this one got an 8. This was the Goody Gimlet. And then this was his regular happy hour vodka cranberry cocktail. That was a 5. So what do we have there? That's 15 plus 8, right? So that's 23 points for Mr. Dog, okay? Oh, Ms. Stewart, I remember this beautiful lemon drop got, I believe, an 8 or a 9. I feel like this one was it. Hold on, let me give her a little taste again. Now it's definitely an 8. I know this one got an 8. This was her Mary's Knees. And then her White Cosmo I really liked, and I think I gave it a 9, okay? Okay, so 8 and 9, that's 17. And I said this one was an 8 too? So that's 25. 25! Well, it looks like Miss Martha wins. Sorry, Mr. Dog, you didn't get the brunch cocktail win today, but we got some more contests coming for you, cuz don't worry, all right? So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a good old likes and a thumbs up. You can also buy me a coffee below if you found this enjoyable. It helps to support the show, and I'll see you in the next episode.